Make a great choice today with 2015 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, universal garage door opener, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.